Hi guys, I'm Beth, and today I'm going to announce the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. But first, I just wanted to take a quick minute or two to say thank you to all of you for supporting my channel in any way. Thank you for watching my videos, for liking, subscribing, commenting, for sharing them. And I have loved hearing from some of you that I've been able to inspire you to start using up your paper pads and scraps and stash as well. I figured that when I started this journey, there had to be more of you out there that were like me, who've been hoarding paper for way too long and finally needed to start using it up. So I love hearing comments like that, and I also wanted to thank you guys. You've offered me some ideas, suggestions, and tips as well, so I thank you for that. But I just wanted to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for not only helping my channel grow, but for helping me grow as well. And as a reminder, the winner for today will receive this cute little Sensibilities coffee themed stamp set, as well as this Doris dot embossing folder. And I love this one. I have this one as well, and it's probably the one that it's probably my most used embossing folder. And they will also receive their favorite Halloween card from my project share video that I did 2 weeks ago. But anyway, without further ado, here's the winner. Today's winner is Robin Cooper. Congratulations, Robin. I will reply again to your comment on my original Halloween card project share video and leave you my email address so that you can send me your address information and I will ship your goodies to you. And thanks again to everyone who has entered. And I am working on finishing up the video for the card share of the rest of the cards that I've made from this DCWV Fall and Halloween stack. So I will talk to you guys real soon.